All right, so let's talk about why Road to QA is your way. Because when you join Road to QA, you're not joining Road to QA just to be a quality assurance engineer, aka a software tester. You're joining for the career path that you can make along the way to other six-figure career roles. Now, let me tell you about this student. Although I can't say his name, we got to keep him private. This student actually landed his first QA role well over a year ago, then a Scrum Master role, and now he got back into the market, laid off from his QA role, a Scrum Master, got back into the market for both to be a QA and a Scrum Master, although he still has a Scrum Master role. He just got 2 offers within a week apart, one for 110, one for 90K. But he started as a software tester. What's important about this, again, is Road to QA is about taking you to pivot into tech, understand the terms of technology and the process of the software development process and quality assurance, and within that, you can scale up to other career roles like being a business analyst, being a Scrum Master, being a data analyst, being a data administrator. Maybe you want to completely go and be a software engineer. You want to go into DevOps and cloud, like automation. The road does not stop there. The road just begins. If you want to learn how to be a QA engineer, aka a software tester, DM me skills now and join us.